Daddy Jack's cook with a B. Cook with a B. Oh, cook with a blues. Cook with a B over here. Well, that was a slip, but you know, work, right? B is making some serious pizzas.
Hello.
Counter because, like a slow baking instead of real like a hot, super hot oven, we're going at about 600 degrees. And I'll tell you, the pizza we had Saturday night was amazing. So, what kind are we making today? A white margarita?
Today we're doing a white margarita with chicken and bacon.
Right on. Woo-wee.
So first I'm going to put our white garlic sauce on the bottom. I like to paint it on to make sure it gets everywhere.
Oh, we should have done you doing the antipasto, man.
Get it nice and coated everywhere. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of parm on the bottom. Get in there with 2 nice sized handfuls of the shredded. Not too much though, because I'm going to add ricotta and fresh mozz. With some tomatoes. Bacon. Nice. Alright. Now for the ricotta, I use 2 spoons. One to grab some and the other to drop onto the pizza. Just get some everywhere. And last but not least, we're going to hit this with some basil. We'll see it out in 6 minutes.
Looks good, Pete.
Listen to that.
Nice.
That was a nice crunch all the way from beginning to end.
Margarita with
White
chicken.
margarita with chicken and bacon.
Daddy Jack's go with the blues. Time to get busy. Woo. I think I'll let that cool for a minute, if you don't mind.
Yeah. Heard that.
I had that the other night. That was awesome pizza.